Dry content, wet and dry sludge. What do these terms mean? Wastewater treatment processes produce sludge. Excess sludge is regularly removed from wastewater treatment processes. The aim of sludge treatment is to reduce their volume before being removed from the plant. This reduction in volume is shown by an increase in the mass of dry solids in the sludge. An increase is shown by the dry content expressed in percentage. How is dry content calculated? Let us take the example of liquid, semi-solid and dry sludge to be analysed after weighing Wm for wet matter. After several hours in an oven at 105 degrees Celsius, until a constant weight is obtained, the sample is cooled and weighed. The mass ds is noted. ds stands for dry solids. Dry content is given by the following relationship. Dry content in percentage equals ds times 100 divided by Wm, where Wm equals the mass of wet matter and ds the mass of dry solids in grams per litre. These three parameters are used for concentrated sludge. For your information, the notions of SS, VSS are generally used for effluent to be treated and sludge from a drinking water treatment process. Warning: if the samples were put straight into an oven without being centrifuged before, which is recommended for sludge, dissolved salts are included in the calculation. However, these are often negligible in comparison to mass of matter inherent to sludge. Let us see a few practical applications of the formula in calculating dry content. For the first example, a dewatered sludge has a dry content of 20%. What is the mass of this sludge's dry solids? The answer? ds equals 200 grams per litre, or 200 kilograms per meter cube. How much water does it contain? The answer? 800 grams per litre, or 800 kilograms per meter cube. Let us take the same example. 4,000 kilograms of wet sludge needs to be centrifuged, giving a dry content of 20%. What mass of sludge needs to be removed? The answer is 800 kilograms of dry solids. The different treatment stages aim to reduce the volume of sludge, i.e., to reduce its water content. Therefore, the mass of dry matter or dry content of the sludge at the outlet of each treatment stage increases. We can summarize the change in sludge mass throughout the treatment in the following way. Biological treatment of wastewater: 2 to 8 grams per litre of SS in tanks. Sludge thickening: 10 to 60 grams per litre of SS, i.e. 1 to 6% of dry content. Sludge dewatering: 15 to 45% of dry content. Thermal drying, when it exists: 60 to 90% of dry content. What you need to remember: 3 parameters: dry content, dry solids, and wet matter, enable to correctly characterize the different sludge masses during its treatment and in view of its final destination. The different steps related to sludge treatment constitutes one of a plant's main operating budget items. Controlling these parameters is therefore essential.